Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a serpentine belt on a Jeep Patriot. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather your tools, including a new serpentine belt, a ratchet or breaker bar, and the correct size socket for your tensioner. Locate the belt routing diagram, usually on a sticker under the hood, as this will be crucial for reinstallation. Now let's release the tension. Find the tensioner pulley. It often has a square drive opening designed for a breaker bar or a large ratchet. Insert your tool and rotate the tensioner to relieve the pressure on the belt. While holding the tensioner, carefully slip the old serpentine belt off all the pulleys. Once it's completely free, you can remove it from the engine bay. With the old belt out, it's time for the new one. Refer to your routing diagram and carefully thread the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys, leaving the tensioner pulley for last. Make sure the belt is perfectly seated in every groove on each pulley. Once routed, use your breaker bar or ratchet to rotate the tensioner again, creating enough slack to slip the belt over that final pulley. After the new belt is in place, slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply the correct pressure. Double-check that the belt is perfectly aligned on all pulleys and hasn't slipped off any grooves. Finally, start your engine for a brief moment. Listen for any unusual noises and observe the belt's movement to ensure it's running smoothly and correctly. Great job! You've replaced your serpentine belt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.